Anti-Zionism does not equal anti-Semitism, and I want to talk about a personal illustration as to why I believe that's the case. See, if you believe that anti-Semitism and anti-Zionism are basically indistinguishable, then that means that you draw a direct parallel between Jewish ethno-religious identity and political Zionism, or support for the state of Israel. You are essentially saying Zionism and Judaism are the same thing. I can personally confirm this to not be the case because I was raised from birth to be a militant Zionist. See, I grew up in a white evangelical Christian community in the American South, and if you know anything about white Christian evangelicals, then you know that they love Israel. In fact, white American Christian evangelicals like Israel more than American Jews do. They are more likely to oppose a two-state solution, more likely to approve of the actions of the Israeli government, and twice as likely to say that Israel is the God-given homeland of the Jewish people. So why do these non-Jewish Christian white evangelicals support Israel so much? Well, the answer to that question is in and of itself anti-Semitism. You see, Protestant evangelical Christians believe that the book of Revelation in the Bible tells them that the 12 tribes of Israel have to return to the Holy Land and gain full control of Jerusalem and the historical state of Israel in order for the Christian apocalypse to be initiated. Basically, American Christians need the Jews to be in control of Israel in order for Jesus to come back. What happens when Jesus comes back? Well, 1/3 of Jews in Israel are supposed to acknowledge him as Lord and be taken up into heaven. The other 2/3 will be annihilated, along with the rest of humanity. I want you to let that sink in for a second. So you see, Christians don't support Israel because they believe in the inherent worth and value of the Jewish people and their right to exist. White American Protestant Christians support Israel because Jewish people, in their mind, are a chess piece that needs to be moved into the right position in order for them to initiate the Christian apocalypse. A Christian apocalypse that will end up annihilating 2/3 of the Jewish population. Many Jews are right to be extremely skeptical of these fucking weirdos and their weird beliefs about the end times, but not the government of Israel. You see, the government of Israel is incredibly happy to court the support of white evangelical Protestant Christians in America because they form a massive voting bloc in support for Israel. They are the most reliable pro-Israel faction within the United States, and there are a lot of them. The population of pro-Zionist white evangelical Christians in the United States alone is several times larger than the global population of Jews worldwide. So, the next time someone calls you anti-Semitic for being critical of the Israeli state, maybe you should ask them why so many American Christians support Israel, and if they've ever really thought about the reasons for that.